Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to Global ARTE Magazine Page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, I'm gonna talk to you. No, I'm gonna show you exactly how to share your Teepublic shop or how to promote your Teepublic shop onto the Pinterest, because I have already made a video talking about how to promote your Redbubble shop onto the Pinterest. And that was a step-by-step process. If you want to check that video out, you can check in the card section above guys. But in today's video guys, I'm going to show you specifically talking about the Teepublic and how you can share your Teepublic store onto the Pinterest and the various steps including it, because I was getting a few of the comments. People were asking me that about the Teepublic, how to share, how to promote their Pinterest, how to promote the Teepublic shop onto the Pinterest. So I thought of not just talking to you guys, actually showing you how to promote or how to share your Teepublic shop onto the Pinterest. So let's get started with the today's video guys. And before going into the good part, you know guys what you need to do. Click the like button. I would really appreciate that. And also guys, I have a free guide, 60 plus niches free guide for your own print on demand for your Redbubble shop right now. If you want to check that free guide, the link of this free guide description box below, you can download it completely for free, and these contain 60 plus free niches ideas on which you can start making your own print on demand designs right now and can start selling. And also I have a free print on demand graphics, a complete bundle that is 40 plus 49 free graphics for you to use in your own making your own print on demand designs. The link of that free bundle is in the description box below. You can download that free graphic bundle right now and can start using these graphics for making your own print on demand designs right now. So the link of both these things are in the description box below. You can check it out. And also guys, there are two ways in which you can promote your Teepublic shop, one via the desktop and another one via the mobile phone. So I'm going to show you how to use the mobile to promote your Teepublic shop by using the Pinterest mobile application. You can download the mobile application of the Pinterest from the Android or from the iTunes, like whatever phone you are using. You can download the Pinterest mobile app, and then you can sign into the Pinterest mobile application by your account. And then I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, because on the desktop is much more easy, but I see that most of the people are more mobile friendly, because I am also more of the mobile friendly rather than working onto the desktop. So I see that if you have these things onto the mobile, then it's much more convenient rather than just going onto the laptop. So I'm going to show you how to hop onto my mobile screen, and I'm going to show you in a second. Let's guys. You can see very well that I have already onto the teepublic.com. I haven't used the Teepublic app. It's just that I am logged in. I've just opened the website onto my browser onto my phone. So this is my Teepublic. I'm gonna just pick up any random design onto the Teepublic. I'm not gonna go and log in into my account and then going to my shop and all that. I'm just gonna take you to any random design onto the Teepublic, and we will going to share it onto the Pinterest. So I'm just going to go over to the search bar, and we're just going to type the shirts or the t-shirts and just click over to that. So here we are. There are some designs about the t-shirts. You can pick up any designs. I'm going to pick up this one, the Street Cats t-shirt. So I've clicked over to this design, and now you can see guys, there are the two ways to promote it. One is by copying the link of this particular t-shirt and doing it. Another method is by just scrolling down. If you just scroll down, you're gonna see these are the options in which you can share this design. Now guys, if you just go below that, you're gonna see there is another option of the that's showing you to share it. And if you do that, you're gonna share the Teepublic, but you are not sharing this particular design. So we just need to use these things. Just after the tags of this design, there are the different options for you to share. These are the social media icons. I'm just going to click over to the Pinterest from here. And here we are to the Pinterest, and I'm just going to go over to the any board, and I can just save it to my any board. So I already have a Teepublic board or the Teepublic products. So I'm just going to click over to the Teepublic products, and boom. Guys, it just saved the products. That's so simple and so easy. That's one of the methods. Now let me go back again to the Teepublic, and I'm going to show you another method to save it. So just let Public, And here we are, guys. So I'm just going to show you the second method. And in the second method, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to click over to this area and we're just going to copy the link of this design. We'll just copy the link of the design. I'm just going to go over to the Pinterest. I'm just going to go over to the Pinterest and we're just going to copy the link which we have already taken. So I'm just going to click over to the pin and provide the link. Like, I just need to select this link and just click over this link and click the paste and then search. So it's searching for the design. So here we are, guys. You can see very well our design is there, and now I'm just need to click over to that, pick an image. So I'm just gonna pick that image and I'm just gonna save it to my board. So I'm just gonna again save it to my Teepublic product boards. Boom, guys, it's saved to the Teepublic boards. So you can see, guys, I have shown you the two method. The one was using the key. This is the lower option buttons you can draw. The one option, guys, I have shown you is using this directly the social media icons onto your mobile phones. When you just go over to the design, you can see this social media icons and you can share it from there. And if you don't do it, then you can just copy the link of your of that design. You can just copy the link and you can just paste it into the Pinterest, and then you can save it into your boards. So that's so simple and so easy. So that is so simple and so easy to share your Teepublic designs onto the Pinterest. There are the two methods, guys, I shown you. That was one just using the social share buttons that you get onto the design, and another one is just copying the link of your design and then just pasting onto the Pinterest and then saving that pin into any board onto your Pinterest. That's so simple and so easy. You can use either two methods on your mobile phone and you can do it, guys. Of course, you're gonna need the Pinterest mobile application to save it either way. If you don't have the mobile application, then you can also use the you can also open up the Pinterest website on your browser on the mobile phone and then can repeat the same thing that we have already done for the mobile application for the Pinterest. So leave a comment below and let me know if today's video is useful to you or not, because today's video, guys, I just shown you how to do it instead of me just talking. I've shown you how to do it, how to share it, and it's so simple, so easy. By two methods you can do. You can use any of these two methods. You can use any one of these and can share it your Teepublic shop onto the Pinterest. That's so simple and so easy. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you really enjoyed it. Leave a comment below and let me know what you think about this video. Are you using the Pinterest for sharing your print on demand designs or not? Thank you so much for tuning in to today's video, guys. See you for the next time, guys. Take care. Bye, guys.